Dear students, welcome back to Maths online classes. In the previous 4 videos we completed first 2 topics, and in this video we are going to learn the third topic, which is nature of the roots. We know very well the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 are minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the nature of the roots depends on the discriminant. So discriminant means b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant. So this value is denoting with delta. So nature of the roots nothing but the which type of roots we will get when you solving the given quadratic equation. So this nature of the roots is defined in the 3 different cases. So in the first case, if delta is greater than 0, so greater than 0 means b square minus 4ac value is positive value. So then definitely the roots will become real number and distinct, means different members. Next, in the case 2, if delta is equals to 0, so that means discriminant value exactly equals to 0. So then the roots are real number, and the two they are equal real numbers. So next, if delta is equals to b square minus 4ac less than 0, so less than 0 means b square minus 4ac value is negative number. So then there is no real roots exist for that particular quadratic equation. Now let's go to questions related to this topic. Example 14. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0, and hence find the nature of the roots. First he is asking what is the discriminant value. After finding the discriminant value, find the nature of the roots. So given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So first you compare with the standard form of a quadratic equation. So a value 2, b value minus 4 and c value 3. So first you have to find out the discriminant value. So that is why b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant. Let us substitute the a, b, c values in this. So then b square minus 4 whole square, 4ac 4 into 2 into 3, minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4, it is equals to plus 16. So minus 4 into 2 into 3 is 24. Now 16 minus 24 is a minus 8. So the discriminant value is minus 8, and that too negative number. So definitely it is a less than 0. So if it is less than 0, then there are no real roots exist. So that is why the given equation has no real roots. Coming to another example problem, example 16. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equals 0, and hence find the nature of its roots. Find them if they are real. See, first we have to find out the discriminant value for the given quadratic equation. So then after, nature of its roots. Next, if the nature of the roots is real, then you have to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. So the given quadratic equation is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equals 0. So as usual, compare with the standard form ax square plus bx plus 3 equals to 0. So a value 3, b value minus 2 and c value 1 by 3. So first we have to find out the discriminant. So that is delta b square minus 4ac. Let us substitute a, b, c values in this. So then b square minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3. So here 3 cancel, and minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So then 4 minus 4, it is equals to 0. So then discriminant value is equals to exactly 0. So then we know very well, if discriminant value is exactly 0, so then the roots are real and equal. So the given equation has two equal real roots. Now let us find out the roots, because here roots are real roots. So we have a one formula to find out the roots. X equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let us substitute the a, b and c. So minus of minus 2 plus or minus minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3. So here this value total 0 because we already found here. So minus of minus 2 is plus 2 divided by 2 3s are 6. Next to square root of 0 is 0. So 2 plus or minus 0 divided by 6. Now 2 plus or minus 0 nothing but 2 plus 0 2 minus 0. 2 plus 0 2 and 2 minus 0 also 2. So that is why x equals to 2 by 6. So 2 by 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So the roots are 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 because the roots are equal. Now let's go to exercise. In the page number 127, we have one exercise, that is exercise 5.4. Coming to first bit, find the nature of the roots. So that means delta value required. Next, if real roots exist, find them. So there are total 3 questions. So same like a previous 2 example problems. So do these 3 problems. Coming to second bit, find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have a 2 equal roots. If the given quadratic equation has a equal roots, then what is the k value? So in this bit we have a 2 questions, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0, and second one kx bracket of x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So now I am going to explain the second problem. So exercise 5.4 second bit second problem, kx bracket of x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0, and in the bracket he mentioned very clear k is not equals to 0. So the given equation is kx bracket of x plus 2 x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. See, it is not in the standard form of a quadratic equation, so you have to simplify. So how to simplify? Kx multiplying inside kx square, kx into minus 2 minus 2kx plus 6. So now you observe it is in the standard form of a quadratic equation. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So observe carefully, a value k, b value minus 2k because x coefficient is a b. Next c value constant number. So a value k, b value minus 2k, c value 6. But in the given question, find the value of k, they have a 2 equal roots. So that means the given quadratic equation has a 2 equal roots, then what is the k value? So that is why the given quadratic equation has a 2 equal roots. So we know very well if the given quadratic equation has a 2 equal roots, then discriminant value will become exactly 0. So that condition you have to use to find out the k value here. So discriminant is equals to 0. So discriminant value is b square minus 4ac. It is equals to 0. So here you substitute a value, b value and c value. So b value minus 2k. So minus 2k whole square. 4ac, 4 into k into 6. It is equals to 0. So minus 2k whole square. So minus 2k into minus 2k. So it is equals to minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 and k into k is k square. 4k square. 4 into k into 6. 4 6 are 24. So 24k equals to 0. So observe carefully, in these two terms we can take common. What is that? 4k is a common. So 4k bracket of k minus 6 equals to 0. So now 4k into k minus 6 equals 0, nothing but 4k equals to 0, k minus 6 equals to 0. Why? Because 4k square minus 24k equals to 0 written as a product of other two polynomials. That is why first polynomial 4k equals 0 and second polynomial k minus 6 equals to 0. So here k equals to 0 by 4 because here 4 is multiplying. Then 0 by 4 answer 0. Next here k minus 6 equals 0. Then k equals to 0 plus 6. So then k equals to 6. But in the given question k is not equals to 0. So that is why k is not equals 0, then ignore k equals to 0. So then our required k value is only 6. Now in the second bit, first problem is very simple, so do yourself. Next coming to word problems, third, fourth, fifth, total 3 word problems are there. So I will prepare the separate video for these all word problems. So this is Dashram. Thanks for watching.